In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Fortnite competitive Discord server. This Discord server is a little bit different from the original Fortnite Discord server, so make sure you watch all the way through this video to make sure you don't mess anything up. But before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. With that being said, the first step is actually not on Discord. You're going to want to go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. You can do this on mobile devices as well. It doesn't necessarily matter as long as you have access to the internet overall. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually search up Fortnite competitive and then Discord. And what it's going to go ahead and do is take you to a page that looks something like this. Now, the very first option right here is going to be the official Fortnite competitive Discord server invite link. So go ahead and click on that, and what it's going to do is going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and then it's going to load you into Discord where you'll be prompted to accept that invite. Simply go ahead and accept this invite, and then you'll be able to customize how the server looks for you, your specific roles, and then finally you'll be prompted to accept the rules. And after doing so, you'll be able to see all of the different channels and stuff that this server has to offer. If you do have any questions throughout this entire process, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But I'm going to wrap this video up here. Before you leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.